Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is what I woke up to today. A bunch of vehicles on the property. Apparently, the septic tank people came and left this equipment so that it would be here for them to put the septic tank in. So I'm really excited because this should have been done a while ago, but the weather has been a mess. It's been rainy and the ground has been saturated, so they couldn't do it. And while I'm out here, I'm going to check out some of the work that the electrical and plumbing guy did. I see right off the bat, this pipe was not here. So there's that. And let's go around to the back. Okay. This looks like some kind of temporary power pole. I guess where they're going to connect the electric. Cool. And I see down here on the ground some more piping. So this pipe goes all the way around the back of the house, and then there's that. Yeah, that guy was here for the entire morning, and I only saw one person, and clearly he got a lot done. This goes all the way under the deck to the other side. So let's go see what that looks like. I'm loving this deck. Okay, on the other side of the deck, the pipe goes, and look at that. Okay, so that's the air conditioning and heat unit. I don't know what you call it, but it has something to do with the air and heat. And all of that is connected there. I hope you guys could see the connection on the wall there. I can't go down there because it's just muddy. Look at that. I mean, it rained like crazy, and I guess I'm gonna have to put some rocks down there, the little tiny stones, until I can put some grass seeds down. We'll see. But yeah, this is my deck. I love it. It feels a lot larger than I thought it would be. Of course, I'm gonna have to stain it, put some color on there. I'm just glad it's here. But yeah, so far, this is what's been happening the last few days. And if they do show up today with the septic tank, I will definitely be out to record that. Hopefully the weather will hold up. But this is really coming along. I am very excited, and thank you to my subscribers for your words of encouragement, because I was a little bummed out those days that nothing was happening, and you guys reminded me to count my blessings. Now I'm still counting. So thanks for that, and thanks for subscribing. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.